Good morning, Canton Festival box office. How can I help you? Oh, good morning. I'm coming to Canton for a few days. Holiday next month. And a friend told me there's a festival. She gave me this some number to find out about it. That's right. The festival begins on the 16th of May and goes on till the 19th. Oh, that's great. I will be there from the 15th till the 19th. So could you tell me the program, please? Well, on the first day, there's a opening ceremony in the town center. People start gathering around 2 o'clock to get good place to see from, and the events will start at 2:55 and finish about 5:30. Okay, thanks. I'll make sure I get there early to get a good spot. The festival will be officially opened by the mayor. Here, just speak for a few minutes, welcoming everyone to the festival. All the town councilor will be there, and of course lots of other people, right? Then there's be a performance by a band. Most years we have a children chorus choir, but this year the local army cadets offered to perform, and they very good. After that, a community group from the town will perform a play, and they written themselves. Just a short one. It's about Helen Tankett. I don't know if you have up here. I certainly have. She was a scientist years ago. That's right. She was born Canton exactly 100 years ago. So we're celebrating her centenary. I'm a biologist, so I've always been interested in her. I didn't realize she came from Canton. Yes, well, all that will take place in the afternoon and later. As the sun sets, there be a firework display. You should go to the park to watch. As you get the best view from there, and the displays take place on the opposite side of the river. It's also one of the most popular events in the festival. So great. And what happens on the other days? There are several events that go on the whole time. For example, the students of the art college have produced a number of videos all connected with relationships between children and their grandparents. That sounds interesting. It makes a change from children and parents, doesn't it? Exactly. Because the art college is used for classes throughout the festival. The videos are being shown in Hans's house. How do you spell the name? HANDSWORTH. Hans's house. It's close to the town hall, right? Now let me see. What else can I tell you about? Are there any displays a ballet that dancing. I'm particularly interested in that as I do it as a hobby. There isn't any palette. I'm afraid, but there's be a demonstration of traditional dances from all throughout the country. Oh, that's be nice. Where's the being held? It's in the market, in the town center, the outdoor one, not the covered market. And it's on at 2 and 5 every afternoon of the festival, apart from the first day. Lovely. I'm interested in all kind of dancing, so I'm sure I enjoy that. Lovely. Mm, I'm sure you will. And I'd really, really like to go to some concert. Is there any? Yes, there are several to be performed by, by, by professional and one by local children. And where is it being held? It's in the library, which is in Park Street on the 18th at 6:30 in the evening. I presume I need tickets for that. Yes, you can book online or you can buy them when you arrive in Canton, either at the festival box office or from any shop displaying our logo in the windows. Well, I think that's keep me busy for the whole of my stay in Canton. Thank you so much for all your help. You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you. Goodbye.